Welcome to Bentley University. In this video, you will learn how to add a Falcon printer to your Mac computer. This is a step-by-step guide. Please do not skip any steps, as you may encounter errors or be unable to print if a step is skipped. The article I am referencing is KB00100021. In order to print to a Falcon printer using a MacBook laptop, you must be on eduroam or a wired network connection. If you're not on eduroam or a wired connection, for example, B-Device, Bentley Guest, or anything else that is an eduroam or a wired connection, you are not able to print. I am currently connected to eduroam. We recommend accessing the article that contains guidance and instructions on adding the printer to your MacBook. The article includes the necessary printer driver. Without the driver, you won't be able to print to the Falcon printer. To access the article, visit the MyBentley homepage. Once on the MyBentley homepage, locate the icon named ServiceNow. Click on ServiceNow, and you will be directed to the Bentley Support Central homepage. This is where you can actually search the article. This page is also where you visit any other resource or help and retrieve any active ticket you may have with the IT help desk. You must have your Bentley ID at all time when you are trying to print. Without your Bentley ID, you would not be able to print. In the search box, type article number KB00100021. This will bring up the article with the step-by-step guide and necessary drivers to install the Falcon printer on your Mac laptop. After downloading the printer driver, we can proceed with the printer installation. If you need to print to the Falcon and Falcon Color printers located at various locations around the campus, please click on the Falcon printer installation link. The Student Center driver is only available in the Student Center. If you don't need this driver because you won't be printing to that location, you can skip that step for now and add it when needed. After clicking the link, you will be prompted to choose the location for the file download. If you can't find the newly downloaded file, please check your Downloads folder, or right-click on the downloaded file and select Show in Finder to locate it. Once you double-click the install, you may encounter an error due to Apple's security alert, but it's okay. Click OK. Then, right-click and select Open with Installer. Another error will pop up, but this time you can proceed with the installation. Click Open and follow the typical installation process. Just click Continue to install the application.
This is your computer username and password. Once it's installed, your printer driver is installed. To verify it is installed, you can either go to System Settings or System Preference based on the OS you currently have. Printers a scanner, and you will see I have Falcon and Falcon Color. Falcon Color is your color printer. Falcon is your black and white.
For example, if you intended to print in black and white but mistakenly went to the Falcon Color printer instead of the Falcon printer that prints in black and white, your document may not show up or you may be charged the color printing price. You must have your Bentley ID in order to print. Please bring your ID within 48 hours to collect your print job from one of the print stations. Print quotas per semester. Full-time graduate students $100, 9 credits or more. All undergraduate students $40. PhD students $250. Each printed page will be subtracted from your semester allowance. The charges for the Falcon printer for black and white copies are 5 cents for single-sided and 4.5 cents for double-sided. The charges for the Falcon Color printer are 24 cents for a single-sided print and 23 cents for a double-sided print.
Once you're ready to print, I will show you an example what happens when you print.
You want to ensure that when you print, you select the correct printer to avoid any issues when retrieving your document.
I'm going to choose Falcon today.
In the dock, you will see a pop-up alert from the printer box, which is waiting for your authorization. This alert is asking for authentication, and it requires your Bentley username, everything before the @ symbol, and your Bentley password. In order to print, you must open the printer alert to authenticate. Failure to authenticate will result in the print job not showing up at the printer.
What you want to do is hit refresh, and then this box will pop up. This box may have your computer username. Well, you want to delete it and type in your Bentley username and then your Bentley password. If you prefer, you can hit remember this password in my keychain. What this does is it will store your password and it will allow you to print automatically. But with that saying, if you ever change your password
and the printer's password is not updated or removed from the printer keychain, your print job will not come out. Therefore, you must update or remove the printer keychain associated with the printer that has the outdated password. If you successfully enter your Bentley username and password, the document will print, and the printer queue will clear. If you encounter difficulties in removing the printer keychain, feel free to visit the help desk for assistance in resolving the issue. To print, you will need to have your Bentley ID with you at all times to release any print job from the printer. Once you swipe your Bentley ID, your document will start printing. As mentioned earlier, it's important to follow the steps outlined in the article. There is also helpful information can be found at the bottom of the article. If you are experiencing issues with printing, there may be several potential causes. For instance, if you previously used a different university's network, you may need to clear the previous institution's network from your device. If you encounter any difficulties connecting to the printer, please don't hesitate to contact the help desk for assistance. Here are the various locations of the printer as I mentioned in the previous article, along with the cost of printing. To access a lot more content, you can get more information by visiting bentley.edu/mybentley. Clicking on ServiceNow and entering your Bentley email address and password if prompted to access Bentley Support Central. Once you are logged in, type in the keyword in the search bar that you would like to learn more about. For example, wireless or how to add the Microsoft Authentication app, which we highly recommend having for authenticating to the Bentley system. It will save you time and effort. Thank you for your time and attention. If you have any further questions, please contact the Bentley IT Help Desk by emailing helpdesk@bentley.edu or by calling 781-891-3122. You can also visit us on the bottom floor of the library, across from Jennison Hall. Goodbye for now, and enjoy your time here at Bentley University.